Show you how to perform a hard reset on the Vivo i9 III and remove pattern and password protection. Hold down the power key for a few seconds, tap power off, and tap OK to confirm. Wait until the device is completely switched off. Then use the combination of power key and volume up. Hold both keys together for a few seconds. Release all keys as soon as the Vivo logo appears on the screen. The Android system recovery appears. Navigate using volume keys. Scroll down to highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset and press the power button to select it. Scroll down again to Yes, delete all user data and press the power key to confirm. The device is wiping data and erasing all personal settings. Press the power key to reboot system now. The device is resetting and rebooting. Be patient as this may take a while. The welcome panel appears and there is no pattern or password protection on your phone. You can now easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.